So my job here is introduce to you that is it possible on a realm of possibility, can I be healthy and fit, loving, multi-millionaire, spiritual, compassionate? Is it a yes or a yes? Except that, maybe our life is just focused on money. But useless lahat ng pera na naipon mo, naipundar mo, naihabol mo, if you don't feel good about yourself. A lot of people say, i-pray lang yan, kay Jesus lang yan, all your life, burita ka. Kasi pray ka lang ng pray, wala kang ginagawa. That when you grow yourself every day, pag merong trouble, praise God. Opportunity to show how I have grown myself. Because if you're not in an ease and flow, you will always be in a space of stress, anxiety, overwhelmment. That ayaw natin yan. Every time there's crisis, it's all hallelujah to me. Maganda ba yun? Because at the end of the day, we know that every crisis, we know that every struggle, every problem, meron niyang asawang opportunity. True or true? Except a lot of people, every time there's change, every time there's crisis, every time there's problem, automatic what we do, we freeze. We don't do anything. And then if we cannot freeze anymore, what we do is we flight. We start to abandon ourselves. We start to do crazy things, such as what? Shopping. Sino dito pag nai-stress ka, automatic, shopping! Yan, no? Yung iba, eat. Sige nga. Ibang friend, tumataba ka. Anong sabihin mo? Kasi nai-stress ako, nape-pressure ako, and then you keep on eating. Yes or yes? Some of your golf. Ito. Mobile Legend. Ay, bato-bato sa langit. Ang tamaan, i-schedule lang. Because I have nothing against it except that when you do this the whole day, it becomes what? Stagnancy. Now, the moment we can no longer freeze, fight, we go to fight. We fight against it. And what tends to happen, it becomes a bigger problem. So my job here is introduce to you that is it possible on a realm of possibility, can I be healthy and fit, loving, multi-millionaire, spiritual, compassionate? Is it a yes or a yes? Yes. Oh, you bet it's a yes. Except that, maybe our life is just focused on money. Don't get me wrong. Pakisabi, I love money. Ang tanong, love ka ba ng money? Gusto mong malaman kung love ka ba ng money? Yes. Based on how much you have. Based on how much you can hold. Based on how much it can come in and go out and come in and go out, irregardless of what's going on outside the world. Irregardless of the situation, irregardless of the economy, irregardless of the crisis, money is just coming in and out easily, effortlessly, in a humongous way. Is that exciting? Yes. But you need to understand my come from. My come from really is understanding what is wealth. A lot of us would always say, wealth is money. No, money is just a byproduct. It's just a result. It's just the fruit of truly understanding what wealth is. In English term, wealth is what we call wele. What's the word? Wele. That's the root word. Wele means general well-being. And I am so sad and I think I'm irritated to see a lot of multi-millionaire, multi-billionaire, useless yung kanilang Hermes na belt, tapos 48-inch ang waistline. Di ba? Useless. Dalawa ang Rolex mo, pero useless. Why? Because you start to allow yourself to put up your own integrity, your own brand, borrowing others rather than I feel good about myself when I am by myself, irregardless of whether I have money or I don't have any money. Again, money is just a result. But useless lahat ng pera na naipon mo, naipundar mo, naihabol mo, if you don't feel good about yourself. Believe me, I eat, breathe, and sleep with people who have all the money in this world, and every time we have gathering, if 8 or 10 of them, ang aming yearly conversation, if there's a life who you want to trade with, whose life do you want to trade with? Ano kaya ang sagot sa aming 8 or 9 or 10? Kaninong buhay kaya? My life. And they're asking me, whose life am I willing to trade? I said, nobody. Ask me why. Because I may not have all the money in the world. But because I understand wealth, deeply, completely, embodiment, not just here, but here and here. That I understand that if I come from general well-being, taking care of my vessel, coming from my own nature, not from normal, but from natural. What's the difference between normal and natural? Normal, stress, anxiety, overwhelmment. How many percent do you know? Out of 10 people who you know right now, ilan yung stress and anxiety dahil sa pagtaas ng gasolina? 9 out of 10? 9.5 out of 10? Agree or disagree? That's normal. Okay lang, ma-stress kasi normal lang yan, friend. However, what's the opposite of normal? Hindi abnormal. Natural. How you were created. Who created you? Who's your source? And as natural being, we are not just physical, but we are spiritual, and we all know that we come from a source of abundance that never niya tayong pabayaan. And therefore, if we really live our wealth bilang anak na may kapal, Ama, Jesus, Diyos, Ama, God, we now understand that maybe the reason why there's too much stress, there's too much anxiety, because we're just living the life based on how it was passed on to us, walang awareness. And I'm so glad, I'm so blessed, because again, with this awareness that I have, I'm able to equip myself that no if, no but, in spite of what's going on outside the world, I am not affected just like nature. Nung pandemic ba, yung mga mangga, mga abokado, nag-usap-usap, wag muna tayong mamunga, wag muna tayong lumabas kasi may pandemic, baka COVID tayo, or wala silang pakialam. Ngayon, tumaas ang gasolina. Pagkasabi, no problem. Ask me why. Ang yaman. Baka ang problema, ayaw mong maniwala na mayaman siya. Kasi norm na ito eh. But yet we still live in fear, doubt, and worry, which is normal, versus faith, hope, and love, which is natural. But you have a job to do. Don't just pray. A lot of people say, i-pray lang yan, kay Jesus lang yan. All your life, purita ka. Kasi pray ka lang ng pray, wala kang ginagawa. It's really embodying faith. And faith for me is not just asking, Lord, sige na Lord, please Lord, sige na. Ano siya, bingi? Do you believe that your Creator, your source, knows whatever you want even before you were born? Yes or yes? Yes. And how come you're begging, you're asking, you're crying about it? At kung ako si Lord, maiinis ako sa iyo. Hindi ka kasi naniwala na kaya kong ibigay. But the way I express my faith is no longer about Bible quotation. Don't get me wrong, memorize ko pong Bible. Alam ko po yan. I grew up as a Sunday school teacher. But these are just words. A lot of my pastor friends would always ask me, please pray for me. Ganito. Allah, bakit ako? Maniwala ka lang kasi. But the way I express my faith so I can always be how I was created is to never-ending connect to my source. And the way I express that in the embodiment, what's the word? Embodiment. General well-being. Balik pa rin tayo, ulit-ulitin ko to hanggang papasok sa kukoting nyo, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, friend, tama na kasing pagpupuyat. We call this your extreme self-care. Tama ba? Alam mo naman eh, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, friend, dapat proud ka sa eye bags mo. Pinagpuyatan mo yan. Simplihan na lang natin, guys. Some of you say, napakasimple. Oo naman. Remember the goose that lays the golden egg? Oh, so what do? Hihiwain natin. Kunin yun. Ganun tayo. Nagmamadali tayong kunin yung para sa atin, hindi natin pinaghandaan. Make sure that you understand that you are the vessel. What are you? The vessel of wealth. Simplihan na lang natin. Puno ka ng utang ngayon. Bibilihin ko ang iyong mata ng $1 million. Ibebenta mo, hindi. Yes or no? But notice how you are not taking care of your eyes. Your job here, if you want to be in a never-ending flow of wealth, is to make sure you honor the temple of the Holy Spirit. Extreme self-care. Paulit-ulit kong sasabihin to, I don't care. Kasi hindi naman nakikita sa mga katawan ninyo. Di ba? Ay, pare-pareho lang sinasabi. Oo nga, pare-pareho. Nakita ba sa buhay niyong hindi? I like where I'm at right now, guys. I'm so happy, I'm excited. Habang tumataas ang mga bilhin, wala akong pakialam. Continuous expansion. In fact, April, naka 5 countries na ako. Tomorrow, I'm flying to San Francisco for 2 days. Ask me, what will you do to San Francisco? Shopping. After 2 days, I'll be in Vancouver. Ask me why. Yeah, just to have lunch with my friend. After a day, I'm going for an Alaskan cruise. And we booked the biggest, most expensive room. Crisis kasi, kailangan natin yan. And after that, I'm going to Boston. Ask me what to do in Boston. Shopping ulit. And I'm flying back here. June, the whole month, I'll be in Japan twice. And I go straight to Calgary. Ask me why. Crisis eh. You have to understand that you have to be in the flow of the beauty of life. The abundance of life, the wealth of life. But here's the thing, you're not in the flow because you're just contracting. How do I know? Magtipid tayo. Ay, may crisis. Naku, nakakatakot yan. And the more you have that space, the more you have that frequency, the more you have that vibration, what will happen to you? It will contract your life. Versus I'm just open and receptive of your plan for me, and I just move in total faith are the things we hope for certain things we do not see. Trust. But how do we trust? Again, number one, extreme self-care. Make sure that you know that you are the vessel, the container, the context of the wealth that you want. But if the vessel is dirty, the vessel is not being taken care of, the vessel is not connected to the source, even if you keep on growing and expanding, your life will just be like that. And one day, sabi, nakakapagod to, ayoko to. And that is my come from. Because at the end of the day, kung kinakabahan ka sa buhay, kung hindi ka masyado excited sa buhay, ask me why. It is just a reflection that maybe you've been operating based on the 60s, 70s, and 80s. Yung mga kaidaran ko, naabutan yung encyclopedia. Maganda, maganda. Magandang buhatin, mabigat. Mahal, mura. Sino lang meron? Mayayaman, mahihirap. Exactly. And that's how we operate the game called life. Versus right now, we have ChatGPT. Mabigat, magaan. Mahal, mura. Walang bayad. Utusan mo pa. But yet we still live based on that versus live a life based on what's available. I'm not sure if you're aware, but we are now living in a place, in a time wherein anyone and everyone can be extremely successful, abundant, no if, no but, no boundary. Are you aware of that? O tapikin mo yung kaharap mo, friend, bakit hirap ka pa rin? Alam mo pala. Siguro hindi lang natin na-embody. Hindi lang natin naintindihan because this is what I truly understand. Repeat after me. My job, my business, or my career is never about my job, my business, my career. But it is just a perfect reflection of my personal evolution. How have you been evolving? Kasi kung hirap ka ngayon, kinakabahan ka ngayon, feeling mo kakapos ka, that is really a perfect reflection, perfect mirror that you have not evolved. Who's on iPhone here? Naka-iPhone. Right? Ano na ngayon ang iPhone? iPhone, yung iOS? Let's say 26. But kung gapang ka ngayon, hirap ka ngayon, because why? You're operating in iOS 5, iOS 6. That's it. Why? Because you never take time, number one, intentionally grow yourself every day. That when you grow yourself every day, pag merong trouble, praise God! Opportunity to show how I have grown myself. Verse, ano ba yan? May problema na naman. Sabi nga, di ba, if you want to earn $1 billion, solve $1 billion problem. So the gap here is not you, maybe it's you stay stuck. And I'm just blessed, I'm just so happy, never po akong humirap, which means today, I'm richer than yesterday. But here's the thing, not as much as tomorrow. Ask me why. Because I understand that my only job here is number one. Please write this. Cleanse my vessel every day. Which is, I don't want to carry any SHIT in my life. Clear it right away. Napansin niyo ba every time I talk, parang buong-buo si Coach Ras? Whether it's 500 people, 1 people, buong-buo. Ask me why. Because I discard, I release, I let go. Imposter syndrome. The imposter syndrome here is you know that you wanna do something but you carry a lot of heaviness. Kahit slight irritation lang. Kahit slight lang, konti lang, disturb ka, then that's where you have to release it energetically. Ask me why. Because your job here is just to feel good. Kasi my job is to feel good. And what's stopping you from feeling good are all those irritation, are all those things that you don't like, that it's happening. Let it go. Release it, forgive it right away. Even if they don't have right to be forgiven, even if they don't have right to let it go, for your own sake. Ask me why. The light of Creator will not enter the vessel when it is rusty, when it is dirty, when it is magulo. Because we have a God that is a God of orderliness. Diba? Cleanliness is next to godliness. Hindi niya alam yon. Diba? Cleanliness is next to, that's the first order of the law. Sabi nga, diba, I don't know if it's in the Old Testament, New Testament, kung meron kang hanash sa kapwa mong tao, bago ka mag-offer sa akin, ayusin mo manin because useless lahat ng offering mo. That's why we value a lot of clearing, a lot of forgiving, a lot of letting go, because that's the first job you want to have if you want to have an access to the wealth. Are you with me? But don't just keep on clearing. Number 2 is what we call nurture. What's the word? Nurture yourself. And some people say, huwag ka nang love yourself, only love God. How do you love God? By making sure that you're taking care of the divinity, the divine. That God is not outside me, it's inside me. Christ said, the kingdom of God is within. And how can I now nurture that is to make sure, again, balik pa rin tayo sa extreme self-care. And I don't know if you've ever catch me, not in my level 10 peak state. What's the word? When I say peak state, kung sa laban pa ng Olympics, talagang pwede ako ilaban sa Olympic gold medal. Ask me why. Never kong pinabayaan yung sarili ko. Priority ko pa rin. You just don't know how much I feel good about myself. Why? Because my ultimate number 1 priority is my general well-being. Wealth. But you need to nurture. Now, number 3, connect the vessel. And the way you connect the vessel is not preaching, is not reading the Bible, is not praying the rosary or going to the church. The way you connect is to really make sure you take time out to be still. It's a practice to be still. Because when you're still, you close your eyes, you're going inward. Then, you have the full capacity to trust Him even if you don't see anything. Because you know you have a big dream. And you know it will take time, true or true. It's like you planting a seed. And every day, ang tagal naman yan. Alam mong 10 taon yan mamumunga eh. And you connecting to the source is being able to really nurture and embody patience. Diba? Be patient, don't be in such a hurry. Because when you are in a hurry, you will get yourselves in trouble. Because when you are in a hurry, you do not trust Him, His process. You're trusting your own ego na kaya ko to, kaya ko to. Kaya mo nga, napagod ka naman, naubos ka naman. Tapos pag naubos ka, napagod ka, babalik ka naman sa Kanya. Huwag ganyan. What if just every day of your life, you're just cleaning, nurturing, connecting to the vessel? No problem? Big problem? No problem. I'm in a space in my life right now that wala na akong attachment kung ano man ang meron ako at kung tanggalin man yan, okay lang. Because I understand anything and everything that I want in my life is so available in both quality and quantity, parang hangin. Pakisabi, money is like an air. Sige nga, income, inhale. Exhale, expense. May nagtira ba? May nag-ipon ba? May nag-budget ba? Wala. You wanna know why? The moment you were born, up until now, you've always known that air has always been available. Whether you're a bad person or a good person, it's always been available to you. Except our mindset here, it's scarcity, lack. I have to work hard for it. I have to strategize it. Let's go back to Matthew. Look at the birds in the air. They don't work. They don't even harvest. They don't even store in the barn. And yet, they are well taken care of. Don't tell me na mas mahusay pa ang ibon kaysa sayo. Why? Because maybe the birds don't have a mindset of fear. The only mindset they have is purpose. The birds don't have a mindset of taking. They only have a mindset of giving. They don't have a mindset of fear, doubt, and worry because they know deep in their heart, zero fear, zero doubt, zero worry because they live their life based on still faith that they are well provided for. And they act in hope, they sing, they dance, and they do what they love what they do, period. Are you the same or are you a machinery? To be controlled, to be attached, or a human being, a nature created by God? Which one are you? Machine or human being? And yet the way we operate is like a machine. Mabuti pa yung machine, alam niya mag-operate. Pag naka-plug in siya sa source ng energy, it will actually operate. You don't even take time out to plug into the source. You don't even take time out to be with the source. And you've heard this again from me over and over and over again. I don't care. Because here's the most important part, people who's faithful in their faith work, never nang humirap. Uulitin ko, people who are faithful in their faith work, never na silang humirap. Madali bang intindihin yun? Mahirap. But here's the thing, you're only faithful in your hard work. May limitation yun, guys. Sino dito can safely say, napagod na ako sa hard work? Raise your hand. Oh, why still hard work? Most of us are faithful in strategic work that strategizes. How many % of the time when you strategize, nangyayari? 1 out of 10. And yet, you still rely on your strategy. I'm not saying it's wrong. But if you don't carry the energy, the frequency, the blessing, the God in you to your strategy, to your work, it will always be in and out. Because you rely on what? On your own strength. On your own understanding, not relying on our source. Leo started with me like 50 years ago, no? 10 years ago. Ang tanong ko, at a scale of 1 to 10, how afraid are you of this oil chenes? This price increase churva? I just feel so happy. I just feel so blessed. Because on an average, ang sagot nila 2. But most said, wala. That means, generally, we are banking on our faith already, not hard work, not strategic work, because again, He will always provide. Not your way, His way. But are you willing to surrender? And then we rewind. How was it before pandemic? During the pandemic? COVID? Because maybe you look at your source, your income. You look at your source, your business. But if you just look at your source, your God, every blessing as your source, then that source will bless your income. That source will bless your job. At hindi ka niya pababayaan. And this is not only exclusive to me. Guys, hindi po ito budol. Wala akong binibentang produkto. Wala akong binibentang seminar. It's just your willingness to surrender. Wealth is number 1. Cleanse your vessel every day. Number 2, nurture it. Nakapasok nga, hindi mo na ilagaan, lalayas din yan. But number 3, connect it no matter what. Ang metaphor ko, nakakita na kayong waterfalls. Ano mas maganda? May balde ka, 15:30, uuwi ka, tapos iinom ka ng konti, tapos makulangan ka, 30 ka pabalik, mangungutang sa kapitbahay, or meron kang hose. That's connection to the source. And when you're connected to the source, this is what will happen to you. Ask me what? Number 1, work and play become one. Do you see me working today, or you feel I'm just playing today? And that's all the things that I do. Number 2, immunity to overwhelm. That being busy and stressed is not part of my vocabulary. Clear? Number 3, direct access to the creative source. Sa totoo lang, I was given a specific topic today. Okay? Chinat GPT ko siya. No? Tapos, may pa-slides pa ako. Ang ganda-ganda. Nagamit ko ba? Hindi. Kasi mukhang mas maganda itong sinasabi ko kaysa ChatGPT. True or true? True. Direct access to the source. Number 4, win-win all relationship, which means you now understand the dirtiest, the shittiest, the most painful relationship are God's blessing to you to go through the pain, to move this pain to purpose. Na-notice nyo ba lahat ng pinakapangit na pagtatraidor, pananaksak sa likod mo, nung nag-overcome ka nun doon, mas gumandang buhay mo, true or true? O bakit mo iiyakan? Bakit mo siya sisihin? Dapat luhuran mo, pasalamatan mo. Kasi tinanggap mo yung learning of purpose and growth. And people are stuck here. And if you're truly Christian, last 7 words of Christ, anong sabi? Forgive them, for they do not know what they're doing. Why hurt people? Hurt people. They can only give what they have. Sige nga, meron akong orange dito. Naririnig sa akin to. Pag pinisil ko yung orange, pinressure ko, binura ko, anong lalabas? Orange juice, buko juice. Orange juice, carrot juice. Orange juice, apple juice. Bakit? Orange yung laman. Dinuraan ko, minura ko, wala siyang kasalanan, inapak-apakan ko, anong lalabas? Orange juice, buko juice. Orange juice, apple juice. Orange juice, carrot juice. Kahit pinressure, kahit minura, kahit walang kasalanan, eto ka ngayon. Right, Esther. No. Siniraan kita. Dinuro-duro kita. Minura kita. Wala ka naman kasalanan sa akin. Anong lalabas? Galit, pagmamahal.
Galit.
Dahil ba minura ka? Dahil ba dinuro-duro ka? Dahil galit ang laman ng puso. How can the light of Creator enter? Kasi you have to understand, the moment there's betrayal, Lord, thank you. I'm ready to move to my next lesson in life. So Esther, please forgive me kung nasaktan kita. I'm forgiving you. God bless you. And can I pray for you? Lord, send Esther the greatest health, the most loving family, and above all, blessings. One blessing after another. God bless you. Then move to the next lesson. Move to the next lesson. Move to the next one. Win-win all relationship. Next is abundance in all areas of life. And what we're trying to do here is community of relationship. Just show up. Maraming taong gustong tumulong. Kaso lang, normal, the older we get, the smaller our world is. Yes or yes? Ask me why. Nasaktan na lang one time ang paghuhusga sa 8 billion humanity na ang anak ng Diyos, traidor lahat, kaya ayaw na. Ninakawan lang ng one time, lahat magnanakaw na. Next, ease and flow. Which means, kung meron ka bang hinahanap, ikaw yung hinahanap ng hinahanap mo. Maganda ba yun? That you will be sent to a place where we need to be without even you knowing it. People who you need the most will just arrive. No, I mean, sila Kirk, no? They're here until May 2. Sabi ko, what will you do? Wala. Sabi ko, okay, I'm offering this and that. Totoo, tanggapin mo lang. That's ease and flow. But I know you want to be in my farm, tama?
Yes.
But you don't know when. Now, there's opportunity. Just receive it. That's ease and flow. And when you're ease and flow, walang aksidente, walang palpak. Can I give you last one? The ability to bend reality. Parang panahon ni Moses yan. Kilala niyo si Moses? Yung Moses sa Old Testament. Di ba yung naghati ng dagat? But you need to understand that is all possible when you start looking at your vessel. Right? Sabi, ang simple lang naman. Yan lang pala. Gawin nyo na lang kasi. Maniwala na lang kasi kayo. Ganun lang naman kasimple. Di ba? Kaso lang, meron tayong belief system, kailangan paghirapan. Kailangan gapangin. And lastly, if you really want millions, raise your hand if you want millions. Weekly, daily. Okay, expand the vessel. I'm just blessed and really excited because I don't remember na nahirapan ako sa buhay. I don't remember dumaan ako ng crisis. We went through extreme scam. Okay, walang-wala, wipe out everything. Hindi ko naramdaman na wipe out ako kasi automatic nire-replace. Because, ask me why. I understand advancing myself. Like right now, no, karamihan ng partners, ang problema, hiring. True or true? Hindi ko problema yun. As of now, I have 30 or more people who are at the level of Coach Jed, Coach Leo, na I have the ability to open 30 more companies effortless. Ask me why. Pinaghandaan ko na eh. I hire, I train based on my future sales. I invest as early as now. Are you with me? So what I have here is the slides that I prepare of what you need to prepare for employees at the same time for partners. So can we put up the first slide, please? Can we all read sabay-sabay? 1, 2, 3, go. So there's no such thing as stable. So if you're not growing, you're dying, period. Next slide, please. Pakibasa, ready, begin.
AI is replacing tasks, speed is replacing security, and only those who create value will stay relevant.
So this is now the future. When they say future, 2, maximum 3 years from now, this is now the future of work, future of business. If we don't adapt this one, we're out of the game. That's when I was started here. Maki can attest to this na hindi pa uso ang Zoom, hindi pa uso ang Canva, nag-advance na kami kasi pag nandyan na, ang tawag dyan early adopter. But if we don't surrender to all of this, we'll be out of the game. So what are the things that we need to prepare for, specifically for the workforce? Okay, basa. Slide number 3, please. Okay. For the workforce, what you need, number 1 is AI fluency. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka natututo ng AI. I hope lumalabas sa algorithm nyo yung mga hiniwalay ng asawa, yung mga natanggal sa trabaho, kasi mangyayari yan. Si Facebook nga, 8,000 employees laid off. Oh my God, Facebook na yan. Next is execution and speed with quality. Bawal po ang mahina. Pabilisan po ang game. Dapat kailangan may quality. So kung petex ka, forget it. Number 3, we need to learn how to solve problem and critical thinking. Why? If you don't know how to solve problem for people you work for and you don't have critical thinking, mag-chat GPT na ako, wala pang angal, wala pang sweldo, wala pang 13-month pay. True or true? Yeah, it's easy. Hindi na nga ChatGPT. Ano, Jay? Ano yung ini-introduce mo sa akin? Claude. Here's the thing. Clear communication. We need to learn this. Clear, simple, direct, outcome focus. Tayong Pilipino, paikot-ikot. We need to teach our people, we need to teach ourselves to have a very simple, direct, outcome-based. Anong gusto mo kagad in one sentence? That's something we want to start learning. And number 3, very important, non-negotiable. From the lowest rank to the highest rank, leadership and coaching. Bakit? Hindi mapapalitan ng AI ang leadership. Hindi mapapalitan ng coaching. Plus, eto, hindi ako may sabi niyan, ha? ChatGPT nagsabi niyan. Facilitate learning, which is marunong kang magturo, not based on how it was done in the school, but based on you becoming a mentor so you can elevate others. Workforce, are you up for this? Business owner, next slide please. What you need to learn, business owner, that is non-negotiable, again, AI-driven systems. Strategic thinking, you start positioning yourself, you start timing direction, deep market understanding, specifically which generation? Gen Z and Alpha. So if your workforce is none of this, you're out of the game. Again, leadership that builds owner and builds a team, not just employees. Most important part is personal brand and authority. If you're still not surrendering to it, I don't know where will you be 3 years from now. Because the future currency is no longer money. Ask me what's the future currency?
What?
Trust. And who they can trust? People found online. Huwag mong pinipicturean yan. Papadala ko sa iyo. Pag pinicturean, dapat kasali ako. Okay? Next is, what now? Okay, so can you please read? Ready, begin.
Still waiting and hoping. If not, now is the time to take this seriously.
So again, when I say intentional, do you put it in your 16 hours of waking? Because I do up until now. At age 55, I still do. When I say intentional, it's part of my day-to-day thing. Intensity is really going for it. If I need to learn it like an 85 thing, I would do it. That's why I'm never outdated. Next. Next slide, please. I'll close it with this. Can you please read your greatest? Ready, begin. So again, all of these things I'm sharing with you will be all useless, not unless you're well guided by the source of all source, the abundance of all abundance, limitless being, creation that you are. My name is Ras Huson. It's an honor and privilege for me to have served you. And I'm so proud na naging on time ako kahit hindi. Thank you so much. God bless you all and let's enjoy today.